Wake up, sleepyhead, let's start the day. Grab your toothbrush, don't delay. Squeeze the paste, just a little dot. Not too much, that's quite